How to change language in Amazon app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can change a language on the Amazon application. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. First of all, just make sure you have updated the Amazon app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Amazon, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Amazon application, now I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can obviously see that this is how it is going to look like. Currently, as you can see, it is in the English language. So if you want to change the language, all you have to do is first tap on this little three horizontal bars which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on the three horizontal bar icon, you'll be able to see all these options, and at the very top you can see settings. If you don't find it, you might need to actually scroll down to the bottom of the screen in order to find that option. So tap on the settings app, and over here you'll be able to see the option called country and language, and all we have to do to change our language is to tap on country and language over here. And as we do that, you can see country region, and you can also change the language over here. When you change the country, your language is also going to be changed to that automatically, or else you could also just change the language and you could select any of the languages that you wish to change to and tap on the done button. As you can see, we successfully have our new language. Keep in mind that the products you see is also going to be influenced based on the region and language which you have chosen on the Amazon application. So if you want to change it back again, and if you don't understand the language, as I repeat, come to this three lines icon and go to this flag icon over here. Once you do that, tap on the option called country and language, and here you can see the second option. Just select it and select the language that you understand or which you want to change to right over here, or else you could also simply search for it. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then change your language on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.